Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss how to use pivot table in the database. When we are using a database, we can use pivot table to summarize those data. In the pivot table in this video, we will explore database, how to make a pivot table, and the pivot analyzer. With the next video, using pivot analyzer, we will make graph and the chart, and then we will make dashboard interacting with this chart and the analyzer. Let's move to the first section in the pivot table, how to use pivot table in this database, using this data. I just extracted some of the data, this client name, reference number, ship name, departure date, country, the document submitted by whom, and the amount. These data, in this lesson, we will move into pivot begin with this pivot table. We'll select the database first, and then we are going to analyze these data in through pivot table. We go to the next step, next insert pivot table with this, and with that we will open dialog box, pivot table arrange, new worksheet or existing worksheet. In this video, we will put into new worksheet, and then look at the pivot table. It's open in pivot table side in the left hand side, and the right hand side pivot field we can see. Pivot field we can see in the first section, number of items, number of columns, and then we can drag into pivot. We can drag these part into down to making pivot tables. And also here we can see the pivot table in different way. What you want to see, we can make it the easiest one. In this case, I will make as optional format. I will put into table like this. In this case, I will run a table with the name who has been submitted this document. I will drag the name here, submitted by, and then it is come to row. I'm taking to row this submitted by whom, and then I want to know how many documents submitted each person, and I'll take reference number. Click that, and I'm taken to the underline value line scheme here, like this. And I can take amount also here. I'll take it right, how much amount, how much value submitted. I can take to a table. And one more thing we can do here to a pivot table. We can copy that pivot table down and copy and paste it. And this pivot table, we can we can we can make it another view also. I mean, this is I want to see by client name. I want to make it this pivot table by client name, number of documents submitted. It's number of documents submitted, and then the amount, the initial sheet amount, and this amount get tallied. Now, let's analyze the part how to do analyze using this pivot table. There is one option here, uh, get pivot table item, and then go to pivot analyzer. Then there are two way we can analyze. the filter. In this table, I want to analyze uh, reverse. I selected country wise, and it's come to here. And when I select this, I will select Kenya. Kenya, the country, the persons who have submitted. The person submitted one document, value is much value. Okay. The person he submitted four documents. This is much value. If I select India, we can see the document who has been submitted and how much value. And analyze we can clear filter. This is all the filter item. This is connected to this pivot table. Pivot table, this analyzer. And also uh, and about the analyzer, pivot analyzer, this timeline. I want to see which departure document, which departure date has been submitted document. Select and then OK and take here departure document. This is throughout the we can filter month, years, partner, any options. I will select the years 2023. I want to see how much of how many submitted 2023 departure ships. When I select here, I can find out the number of ships document has been submitted in the 2023 departure ships, and then 2024 478 documents submitted. Also, I can see quarterly. Once we selected quarter, this each year it's given 4 quarters. In case I want to see quarter 1 to 2024, how many documents submitted? I can see one document. And 1 and 2 I want to see. Then they can drag that document also into right side, and they can see 2024 plus then second quarter how many documents submitted in here. You can see so many documents. You can clear it out. And also this way we can use weight analyzer, and if we create the weight table, we can analyze in different format. In the departure rate, we can see we can take it. It's opening month, quarter, years. We will take that out departure date, month, quarter. I do not want to. I'll move this to up. Actually, I wanted to see how much 2024 and 2023 separately in the document itself. You can see 2023, how many documents, how many documents submitted, how much value document has been submitted. And I wanted to select 2024, and we can see how many documents submitted and how much value here. Here we have the section. We can do any filtering here. We wanted to filter by ship, by some other country. It's a country. We'll try this country. Yeah. You can see, you can take country wise. You can take country wise also. How many India, how many documents submitted, and how much value. In Kenya, options. Hope and basic things of pivot using pivot and pivot table and pivot analyzer. We will meet our next videos. Then in deep analyze and deep go through with the pivot tables and connection, making chart and video, making chart and graph and connecting to each graph and chart into pivot analyzer and creating dashboard. We will discuss in our next video. Thank you.